What's going on, everybody? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to head over to Earl Grey for the 23rd, I believe it is, annual Snow Leopards snowmobile swap meet. They have it every year. Usually they have it, well, in the winter, but this year they had it early, which is awesome because there's no snow on the ground and it's like supposed to be 18 degrees today, which is insane. Which is perfect weather for wrenching if we can find parts. So that's what we're doing today. So you can see by the flag flapping behind me and the geese overhead, she's pretty windy today. That's why I'm not doing an intro outside. So, but yeah. Anyways, folks, let's spawn now to the swap meet to see what they have. There's supposed to also be a collection of snowmobiles there. So let's check it out. Alright, folks, we spawned. Looks like quite the turnout. Lots of vehicles here. So let's go inside, pay the ferryman, and we'll see what they all got. Huge shout out to the Earl Grey Hall for letting this happen every year. So, okay, let's go inside now. Alright, pay the ferryman. Let's go in and check out what we got going on here. Got some sleds. It's pretty loud. This is sweet. I wonder if there's any John Deere sleds or parts. We'll have to take a look. Oh, it's sweet. What the heck is that? This is cool. I remember this from this summer. I met John. So, very, very nice sled.
That's pretty cool.
Yes, I did. At Wild Willie's. At Wild Willie's.
Wild Willie.
This summer, yeah. So, nice to see you again.
Memory short.
Nice to see you again. Nice to see this out. I was hoping it would have been there, but this is awesome.
Real thing.
Yeah. Wow. This is cool. Excuse me. Okay. Parts guys over here. So over here we got more sleds. Awesome. I'm gonna go around, take a look at some parts, see if we can find what we're looking for, and I'll pick the camera back up. So I'll let you know what goes on. Alright, folks, didn't really find much of what I was looking for, unfortunately, but I did get some more leads, ran into some more people, so it's pretty awesome. I guess if I want to get the parts I need, I'm gonna have to make a journey, do a journey here for the parts for Haley's sled, the bogey wheels and stuff. Unless Richard, if you're watching this, get a hold of me and we'll cut a deal here, because I know you got the parts I need too, and you're a heck of a lot closer than the other guy. But with that being said, it's an awesome, beautiful day for October, end of October almost, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So, wow. Anyways, that's all for today, guys. I just wanted to come check it out, see if they had any parts, and yeah. Well, till next time, take care of yourselves. Love you. God bless.